Hi, I'm Tim Goey, and you're that business owner that took the chance, went out on your own because you knew you could do it better. And in the process, you're making a difference in very challenging times by actually employing good, honest, hard-working people. But what you may not know is that you can take that employee experience to the next level. We're ClearCare MD. Imagine gathering up your employees for a company meeting to let them know you care. You care about them. You care about their families. And from this day forward, you care enough to now offer them the ClearCare MD suite of services, including everything from 24/7 access to board-certified doctors to a network of local family doctors. Starting to sound good, right? Click the Learn More link below and we'll get started.